लायटीच्या खात्याचो आरटीआय ॲक्टिव्हिस्ट सिव्हिल इंजिनियर काशीनाथ शेटयेची विजिलन्स बेहिशोबी मालमत्ता CCS विधानसभेचो शिस्तभंग तशेंच आर्माच्या लायसनाची चौकशी जातली। ISS ऑफिसराक घालून स्वतंत्र चौकशी जातली म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार काब्रालाच्या प्रस्नाचेर विधानसभेत उलयलो।
There is a code of conduct going from 29 July. So there is one candidate who has threatened me. I am going to election commission also on that count. I am a voter of Panjim and there is one candidate who is standing in Panjim. But as per code of conduct, no bills can be passed or nothing can be said to us. So I am being threatened to vote for BJP by one of the candidates who is the candidate who wants me to vote for him. In the code of conduct he has threatened me. That is my whole case now. Can a candidate in the code of conduct threaten me? That you have to answer. I will put a disqualification on this aspect everywhere now.
इतले मजगती कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट चालू असताना पर्रीकार पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट करता म्हूण एकल्यान मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकाऱ्याकडेन कंप्लेन केल्या। प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार।